Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Today we're going to talk about getting your lawnmower ready for winter. And so there are three main things that we're going to touch on for winterizing. One is cleaning the undercarriage, two, changing the oil, and three, addressing the fuel that's in the tank. So let's start with the undercarriage. This lawnmower has a port where you can attach a garden hose and that'll spray the undercarriage clean. But I find that this really only works when the grass is still wet. If it's dry, it's really not going to do a great job. So you got to flip the mower up and get in there with a screwdriver or something to get all that grass out of there. But before you do any of that, make sure that you take the boot off of the spark plug. You do not want the lawnmower accidentally starting while you have it flipped over. So next we'll talk about changing the oil. Now obviously you want to keep tabs on your oil level throughout the mowing season as well. You do need to change it annually, and so to do it while you're already winterizing and working on your lawnmower is as good a time as any. So the last thing we're going to address is the fuel. If you have old gas in your tank, it can really gum up the carburetor and cause a lot of problems. And so there are a couple different schools of thought on it. Different manufacturers recommend different things. Like some manufacturers say just add a fuel stabilizer like this to the tank at the end of the season. And others say to run the tank completely dry and then start with fresh gas in the next mowing season. So either stabilize the gas that's in the tank or run it dry and start with fresh gas the next season. If you do those three things every year, your lawnmower is going to run better and it's going to last longer.